Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Sylv Mac, and today we're gonna do something with all of that leftover turkey. So grab that glass of wine, y'all, and let's get to cooking. All right, so today we're gonna do some turkey salad because everybody has a whole bunch of turkey left and you're probably wondering, what the heck can I do? So now let's make a turkey salad. So I had only about a 12-pound turkey this year for the two of us. So I had plenty of turkey left, and we've got one side of the turkey breast. I sort of cubed it and I took off the skin for the most part. I've got 2 stalks of celery chopped, about 1/3 of a cup of onions chopped, and then some red and green bell peppers, just kind of chopped up a little bit. I would say that's probably about 1/3 of a cup as well. So I'm gonna add some grapes, and it's 10 of them. I cut them in half. You can either use mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. I'm a Miracle Whip baby, so I'm gonna use Miracle Whip. And you sort of use this, I can't really measure it, you just know when it's enough. I'm also gonna add a little garlic powder. So I've got 2 boiled eggs. I'm also gonna add about a handful of pecans or pecans, however way you wanna say it. Okay, so now let's put this salad together. I like to add my vegetables first, so I added my onions, followed by my celery. And then I also added the red and green bell peppers. Then I added my mayonnaise, or you can use Miracle Whip as I did, and 2 big heaping spoonfuls of that, little garlic powder, some black pepper. And I like to use smoked salt, but you can use Lowry salt or any type of salt. Give it a nice stir. It was a little dry, so I like mine a little more moist, so I added some more Miracle Whip. Now it's time to add the eggs. I got this nifty little egg cutter, and I added my 2 eggs, followed by the grapes. And then I added a handful of pecans. Give it a nice little stir, and then you taste it and see if it needs anything else. I thought it needed a little bit more salt and pepper, so I added a little bit more. Gave it a great nice stir right there, and then I like to wipe the inside of the bowl for presentation, and I top it off with some smoked paprika. Okay, so now the turkey salad has been sitting a little bit so that it can absorb all the flavors. So now, let's taste it. That's really good. I like my turkey salad a little on the sweet side, so that's why I've got the half of the grapes put in there that I cut in half. I love the crunch from the celery, the onions, and the bell pepper, the egg, and then of course we smoked our turkey, so it has a little smoky flavor to it. This is just absolutely fabulous. You can also just eat it plain like I'm doing, or you can put it in a tortilla, make a sandwich out of it, put it on a piece of lettuce. I'm just gonna eat it straight off the plate. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel, tell all your friends, give me a couple of thumbs up, and until next time, cheers. Boy, this is good.